Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering the scanner and matching its communication mode to your host. This prevents unreadable input once you scan. First, confirm the battery is charged above 50% or plug into reliable power so scans don't drop mid-process. Next, set the scanner to the correct interface, keyboard wedge, HID, or serial, because the host expects a specific input format. Once done, connect the cable securely or enable Bluetooth pairing, and watch the LEDs for a stable link. Once connected, configure how the scanner reads and sends data so your system receives usable values. Scan the manufacturer configuration barcode, S, to enable required symbologies and append a suffix such as enter or tab so records move to the next field automatically. Then, adjust beam distance for the barcode density, hold 1 to 12 inches for standard labels, and set output formatting, trimming prefixes, or splitting fields, because consistent formatting avoids manual cleanup later. Now test thoroughly by scanning several sample barcodes and confirming the host records match expected values. This validates configuration and distance settings. If something fails, like garbled characters, missing entries, or no input, note the symptom because targeted fixes are quicker. For example, rescan configuration barcodes to correct output, update firmware to resolve protocol bugs, or replace the cable and repair Bluetooth to address connection faults. If intermittent, check battery health and interference source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.